Well, IRCTC is a stock to watch out for in trade. In fact, it's quite active in today's trading session, and that's largely on the back of the news of the government stake sale plans. Well, what we understand is that the government is planning to sell 15 to 20% stake in the Indian Railway Catering and Tourism Corporation, or IRCTC as it's known, via the OFS route. Now, this has been in the works for quite some time. Just last month as well, you had reports that surfaced that the government is looking to pare their stake in the PSU company, and now we understand that this is perhaps underway, a 15 to 20% stake. Now, it's worth noting that through the OFS, the listed company can put their existing shares on the block via the exchange platform itself. So a minimum of the 25% of the shares that are offered in the OFS are reserved for investors, institutional investors such as mutual funds and insurance companies. Now, this has been in the works for quite some time. As on June 30th, 2020, the Government of India held an 87.4% stake in IRCTC. And in order to meet SEBI's public shareholding norms, the government has to lower its stake in the company to 75%. The Department for Investment and Public Management, or the DIPAM, had issued an official request for the proposal, inviting bids from merchant bankers for this stake sale just about 2 weeks ago. And we understand that the government plans to divest part of their equity capital of IRCTC via the OFS route, and this is what they had planned. The government is also considering to allot their shares to eligible and willing employees of IRCTC at a discount to the issue or the discovered price. This is what we understand is going to happen subsequent to the completion of the OFS. Just about 2 weeks ago, when the news was declared, they said that they would look at the extent on the percentage of stake sale, and now we understand that it has been zeroed in on 15 to 20%. The government even sought bids from the merchant bankers between the 4th and the 10th of September, and they will be opened on the 11th of September. You had that pre-bid meeting as well that was held on the 3rd of September. Now, do remember that IRCTC's IPO had concluded in October just last year, and it was completely lapped up by investors. At the IPO, the price was offered at 320 to investors, and you had retail investors which got the shares at a 10 rupee discount at about 310 rupees via the book building process. It was valued at about 5,000 crore rupees, and the government raised 645 crores via the IPO by selling a 12.6% stake. Now, do remember, the government, via lowering their stake in the OFS route, is looking to help them meet their divestment target of 2.10 lakh crores. Of this, 1.2 lakh crores will come from the divestment of public sector holdings, and the remainder 90,000 crores from the stake sale in financial institutions.